Good Wednesday evening. Taking a live look outside of Bryan, you can see the A&M campus there in the background. 39 degrees. Those temperatures continuing to fall once that sun has set. Northerly winds also helping advance some colder air into the Brazos Valley. 34 in Temple, 34 degrees also up in Waco. Those wind chills feel a little more uncomfortable out there, feeling like it's in the 20s for a large part of the area. So you definitely need that light jacket as you head outdoors. Check out the temperature in Midland, 19 degrees, where they picked up several inches of fresh snow throughout the day. A major winter storm out there. We're starting to see a secondary area of snow develop across central parts of Texas. San Antonio, Austin have gotten in on the snow. Even Temple and Killeen picking up some snow as well. Now, this upper level storm system starting to work its way into southern Texas. Notice we're beginning to see a large shield of precipitation develop. Also, a few lightning strikes being detected to the north and east of Corpus Christi. This gives you an idea of just how strong the lift is with this system. Now, there's minimal moisture in the atmosphere, so that's what's preventing this from being a widespread winter storm across the Brazos Valley and southern parts of Texas, but we are getting some pretty good lift. Let's take a little bit of a closer look here in the Brazos Valley. Notice nothing going on here in Bryan College Station. I did see a little bit of drizzle out there a couple hours ago, but notice to the south we're starting to see that shield of precipitation work its way in. This will work in towards the north and the east. Now this is going to change over to sleet and snow as it works its way into Bryan College Station, so just be mindful of that. Also, a secondary area of precipitation trying to develop out toward western zones of the Brazos Valley, which will gradually work its way toward the north and the east over the next few hours. Now, that heavier band that's working its way into the southern zone, let's take a little bit of a closer look at it. You can see right here again, southern parts of the Brazos Valley, it's starting to work its way in. It's being detected as a little bit of rain, but we've actually gotten some surface observations of this actually falling in the form of sleet. And then again, as you head out towards Austin, San Antonio, Texas Hill Country, we're seeing some snow out there. So starting to see a pretty nice area of precipitation develop. How much snow are we looking at? Well, it's looking like most of the Brazos Valley going to see a little bit of a sleet, snow, rain mixture, especially the southern and eastern zone. Now, as you get off toward the north and the west, that's where we start to see the possibility of some light accumulation. So this area of precipitation has some enhanced bands within it. So wherever those enhanced bands track from southwest to northeast, that's where we could get a little bit of accumulation. Right now, looking like it's going to be from central and western parts of the Brazos Valley. So keeping an eye on that possibility of up to ½ inch of snow on elevated surfaces. We're talking about your car hood, the top of your car, as well as grassy surfaces. If you have a doghouse outside, you may see some on the roof as well. Now, if you do see an area of banding that does set up, it's possible that there could be localized amounts of an inch, but that's going to be a little too difficult and too detailed to forecast. But looking like possibility of a ½ inch across that western zone, but most areas going to see some snow within the next half an hour to an hour. Best time frame going to be from now until 3 a.m. heading into Thursday morning. Then it's going to clear out. Tomorrow is going to be cold. Temperatures going to struggle in the 50s, but a nice warm up by Friday. Stay tuned. More KAGS after the break.